Good morning. This black cat, Bagheera, is coming back down from the bus again. And also, Benjamin is moving up a storm. So I thought I'd just stop and say hi. Yeah, what's going on, bud? You feeling sorry for yourself? We're going to check in and see if we can move you over with the girls. Yeah. You want her to go today? Hi, Benjamin. Are you sad? Don't chase the dog. Hey. Why are you chasing the dog? Poor Ghosty. Is he chasing you? He's not being nice. What's going on? I don't have any food right now. I gotta go get food. Just put kids on the buses. Benjamin. You were talking, then you chased a doggy. People want to see you. They don't see you much. Benjamin, you're a pretty boy. I know you're mad. We're going to see if we can get you with the girls soon, okay? This little bit. He has peed on himself. And now he's making faces. That's Siren. He's a weather. That's Darth Vader. He's still a buck. That's Obi-Wan. No. That's... What is your name, mister? That's Austin Matthews. He's a weather. I don't see Obi... Oh, Obi's got his butt hanging out of the hay bale. Obi-Wan! He's the one-ball wonder. Crypto Orchid. He's only got one testicle. And so he will be... There he is. Hi, Obi. Hi, Obi-Wan. Yeah, you're a pretty boy, aren't you? Too bad you were born as a one-ball wonder. Oh, your brother's acting all bucky with you. And everybody's over there talking to Flint. I think Firefly's in heat. Mark that on the calendar.